Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to get started with Jotform Store Builder. If you're looking to set up an online store quickly without needing complex coding or expensive platforms, Jotform Store Builder is a fantastic solution that lets you create a functional store in just minutes. Also, if you're interested in business tools that could improve your workflow, I've dropped a few links in the description down below. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to jotform.com. Once the page loads, you'll need to log in using your credentials. Make sure you have your username and password ready so you can access your account smoothly. After logging in, you'll be taken to your Jotform dashboard, where all the magic happens. Now look toward the upper left corner of the page where you'll find a button labeled Plus Create. This button is your gateway to building all sorts of forms and apps within Jotform. Go ahead and click on it to proceed. A menu will appear with several options for what you can create. From this menu, click on App and then choose Build Store. This selection is specifically designed for creating online stores, and it provides you with all the necessary tools to showcase and sell your products effectively. The interface will now transition to the Store Builder workspace. Next, you'll want to add your first product. Click on Add Element, which opens up various components you can include in your store. From these options, select Product List. This element is essential because it's where all your products will be displayed for customers to browse and purchase. Once the product list is added, you'll see a products icon appear. Click on this icon, and in the right panel that opens up, you'll find several tabs. Make sure you're on the General tab, then click Edit. This is where you'll customize each product individually. Here you can edit the product name to match what you're selling, set the price that customers will pay, and add a detailed description that highlights the features or benefits of your product. Taking time to write clear, compelling descriptions can really help with conversions, so don't rush through this step. After filling in the details, it's time to make your product visually appealing. Click on Choose Images, then select Upload File. This allows you to upload product photos from your computer. High-quality images are crucial because they give customers a clear view of what they're purchasing. Now that your product is set up, you need to configure how you'll receive payments. Click on the Store Properties button, which gives you access to the overall store settings. In the right panel that appears, click on Add Payment Connection. This step is vital because without a payment gateway, customers won't be able to complete their purchases. You'll be presented with various payment gateway options. Select the one that works best for your business needs, then click Next. Follow the prompts to connect your payment connection by entering the necessary account details. Once everything is configured correctly, click Save to finalize the connection. And that's it. You've successfully set up your Jotform store with products and payment processing enabled. Your store is now ready to start accepting orders from customers. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.